Hello guys, and welcome back for another Kaspa price prediction analysis video. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the next key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above here on the Kaspa chart, give you key areas of support, and above all discuss my long-term perspective of the chart, giving you reasons why we can easily get to new all-time highs in this bull market. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the weekly chart, I still maintain that from the lows we made back in 2023, we started a very impulsive bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the 0.21, giving us a new all-time high and also completing the formation of these due to count 1. Then we started a corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of a larger due to count 2, whose minimum target areas I had marked here on the charts using that red target area, an area that we fully maximized, and there are now high chances that we have a low in place in the formation of these wave 2, and whatever is playing out at the moment is the start of a very impulsive bounce in the formation of these wave 3 that should take us to new all-time highs, and the minimum target areas for the wave 3 can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the second wave, and on so doing I get a minimum target area for the wave 3 on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.374 as our minimum target area. Once we hit that target area, then I will expect a pullback in the formation of these wave 4, and then continue pushing to new all-time highs in the formation of that wave 5. And for those of you that will be able to DCA down here, there's a very high chance that you will easily cash out a 5x or maybe a 10x to the upside in the next impulses in the next coming weeks. So that is my long-term perspective of the chart. On the 4-hour time frame, I have also been observing a negative structure from the lows we made on the 7th of April, where you can see that we first peaked in the formation of this wave 1, so a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, a bounce in the formation of this wave 3, a wave 4, and finally topped out in the formation of this wave 5. And whatever has played out over here was an extension of the formation of this wave 5, because my minimum target areas were above the 0.09, but you can see that we had that bullish momentum to continue pushing even higher, breaking above resistance above the 0.01, the 0.1, flipping it back into support. And at the time of this recording, we are seeing a bit of a pullback, but we continue to hold above the 0.1. And there's a very high chance that since we have seen this impulsive bounce to the upside, there's a very high chance that we now have a high in place in the formation of a larger edge due to count 1, and a pullback in the formation of a larger edge due to count 2 is now imminent. And the minimum target areas for the second wave will be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made on the 7th of April to the highs we have made today. And on so doing, we can be able to identify a minimum target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the 0.08095 and the 0.06466, which is the area over here. So in case of any pullbacks, that is the area that I will be paying attention to as my key area of support. And as long as you continue holding within the area, then we can expect another bounce in the formation of that wave 3. We also need to have in mind that we can easily get one more new high before we get a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, because we still don't have any topping structure here on the charts, and we also continue to hold above support above the 0.1. So in case we get one more new high, don't be surprised, and the moment that plays out, then you can easily adjust your minimum target areas for the second wave, which I will expect to play out in the next coming days. So that is the price action that I'm expecting Kaspa to follow for the next coming days, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and that will ensure you stay up to date.